Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into the world of animal intelligence. Answering the question, which animal is the smartest, is trickier than it sounds. There are no IQ tests for animals yet, so any ranking will always be a bit subjective. However, this list is based on scientific studies and research. So let's begin our countdown of the our closest cousins. Chimpanzees share 98% of their DNA with humans. They form complex societies, use tools, and even learn languages. One chimp named Kanzi understood 3,000 English words and used a keyboard to communicate. If humans disappeared tomorrow, chimps would be the next best candidates to start a new civilization. Rats have lived alongside humans for centuries, and they've learned a thing or two. They're incredible at solving mazes, organizing in social hierarchies, and even communicating using ultrasonic calls. And here's the kicker: rats are the only non-human species known to laugh when tickled. Creepy, but genius. Rats have lived alongside humans for centuries, and they've learned a thing or two. They're incredible at solving mazes, organizing in social hierarchies, and even communicating using ultrasonic calls. And here's the kicker: rats are the only non-human species known to laugh when tickled. Creepy, but genius. You might be surprised, but pigs are up there with dogs in intelligence. They can learn tricks, play video games with joysticks using their snouts, and even sense the time of day with shocking accuracy. Their sense of smell is so good, it's used to hunt truffles, and their memory? Absolutely top tier. Aloof, independent, and incredibly clever. Cats communicate differently with humans than they do with each other, tailoring their meows and purrs specifically for us. One study even found that some cats use over 3,000 distinct vocal signals. That's more than some toddlers. They also won't do anything they don't see value in. Which isn't laziness, it's actually practical intelligence. And at the top of our list, the dolphin. These marine geniuses have been found to use over 14,000 unique sounds to communicate almost twice the average human vocabulary. Their brain is larger and more convoluted than ours, and their behavior shows clear signs of empathy, humor, and creativity. If dolphins had hands, they might already have built underwater cities. Tiny brain? Yes. Tiny memory? Not at all. All. Squirrels are little memory machines. They can hide thousands of food stashes before winter and remember exactly where each one is, something many of us can't even do with our car keys. They're also masters of deception. If a squirrel notices someone watching them bury food, they'll pretend to hide it and stash it somewhere else later. That's not just smart, that's sneaky. Man's best friend is also man's smartest buddy. Dogs excel in social intelligence. They form packs, understand fairness, learn hundreds of human words, and can be trained to do everything from herding sheep to detecting cancer. Breeds like border collies and poodles can understand up to 150 commands. And yes, they know when they've been good boys. Man's best friend is also man's smartest buddy. Dogs excel in social intelligence. They form packs, understand fairness, learn hundreds of human words, and can be trained to do everything from herding sheep to detecting cancer. Breeds like border collies and poodles can understand up to 150 commands. And yes, they know when they've been good boys. Insects in the number 8 spot? You bet. Bees, ants, and termites demonstrate what's called swarm intelligence. They build intricate colonies with soldiers, workers, architects, even undertakers. Bees communicate using a dance language with over 60 known words and counting. Imagine if humans did the same. Every TikTok dance would be a conversation. Elephants have the largest brain of any land animal and a heart to match. They understand death, perform rituals, and can recognize themselves in a mirror, a rare trait in the animal kingdom. Their memory is legendary, and they've even been seen using tools and painting with their trunks. In short, gentle giants with giant brains. Ravens are basically flying brainiacs. They use tools, recognize human faces, and even hold grudges. One famous experiment showed that ravens remembered people who had captured them for 3 months and retaliated by pooping on them. Also, they teach each other how to crack nuts by dropping them from the air. Genius? Absolutely. So, there you have it, the most intelligent animals on the planet. From clever squirrels to genius dolphins, nature never ceases to amaze. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing animal facts every week. Thanks for watching, and remember, intelligence isn't just human.